Hi my friends, welcome to Toys and Funny Kids, where I'm about to show you just probably the greatest toy that I've ever bought. Well, I don't know, I know I said about all my toys, but I am so excited about this toy. I bought a toy kitchen. This is a Peppa Pig kitchen playset, and it has so many things. It just came with so much. So firstly, as you can see, it has this little door, a refrigerator where you can keep anything, any kind of food. I put my pot and my salt and pepper, but here we go. I have this cute little orange pot, salt and pepper shakers, to make things taste perfectly, and a little cup. Up here is the stove, and it is completely full of more accessories that all came with the kitchen. Let me show you. I have a little box of cereal. I've got a pie cooking there in the window. Put my box up here. Put my salt and pepper shakers together. I have a little sink. I have little plates and knives, and it's just so cute and fabulous. Oh, there's my spoon. Let's put my spoon and my fork away here. My knife and the strainer ladle. Stand back up. Alright, so of course I'm going to use crafting dough because that's my favorite thing to do. And I'm going to use some food molds that I have from some of my other fabulous toys. And I'm going to make some food really quickly. Because that's kind of my favorite thing to do, is play with dough and make cute foods. Okay, push, 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 push. And I have a perfect waffle, which I will put in my perfect pot, and I'll make another one. I'm gonna put some waffles in my pot here. All right. Waffles, and I use my spoon to flip them over. I was just so excited to get a kitchen because I'm sure if you watch my videos, you've seen how much Play-Doh food I make. And with this adorable plate, look at Peppa with the chocolate all over her mouth. I will put my food. Here we go. Flipping, make sure it doesn't burn, of course. And on the plate. And now, time to make some more. Turn up the heat, make sure that these cook all the way through. Close the lid, let the steam help the cooking. I'm so excited, I love this pot. Oh, amazing! My pot does amazing things. And I give you more delicious food. What else should we cook? Because those waffles look delicious. Open an egg. Do you like my Play-Doh egg? Isn't it awesome? I just used some white Play-Doh and put some yellow in the middle, and then when you open it, it's an egg. Well, no breakfast is complete without a perfect dough egg. I'm going to chop it up. I'm going to scramble the egg. Chop it up there, make it a scrambled egg. Eggs and waffles. Perfect. And now, the other side of my kitchen is for sweets and delicious things. So, I'm going to use my Play-Doh cupcake molds, fill them with some dough, and make some sweets in my Peppa Pig kitchen. I love this because it is pink, and pink is wonderful and fabulous and beautiful, and I love pink. There's the bottom for the perfect cupcake. And now, just a little bit of dough to make another one. Because, you know, we had eggs and waffles, so clearly we need cupcakes. Okie doke. And now, what's in the oven? Cupcakes, that's what! Let's put our cupcakes in the oven so that they cook and become beautiful. Boop, boop. Yeah! Counting to 5. And the perfect cupcakes. The absolutely perfect cupcakes. I changed to brown Play-Doh so that they would look more cooked. That's my secret. Now I'll use my frosting tool to put some decoration on the top. Fabulous. There's one beautiful cupcake. I'm going to use 2 colors this time and give it a swirl. And look at how perfect this cupcake is. Simply gorgeous. Now I'll use blue and kind of a turquoise teal, you know. Give it another color. Now I know this takes a ridiculous amount of time, but this is just like my favorite thing to do with cupcakes. You can also just, you know, wad up a pile of Play-Doh and call it a cupcake, but I like cute and fabulous cupcakes. They're completely adorable, and now they look perfect. But wait, I'm making more. I'm gonna roll out my trusty brown dough. Brown dough is the most useful thing. You can make cupcakes, you can make bread, you can make ice cream cones. I like this color. It's a really neutral color. For me, I'm gonna cut it out with a cookie cutter. Roll it again. Another cookie cutter. Another cookie, because they are perfect. And since we still have extra dough, I'm gonna make, you guessed it, another cookie. Four cookies in the oven. You're gonna watch more of my special magic effects. Here we go. Into my oven. Boop. Close it. 1, 2, 3, 4. They smell perfect. And now I'm going to frost them too. I'm using white this time. Speed things up. I'm making cookie sandwiches. Well, there we go. Those are just some of the things that I like to make, you know, with my Peppa Pig kitchen playset. This is what I made this afternoon. But of course you can make anything you wanted. Thank you so much for playing. If you like Peppa Pig toys and want to see more of my collection, click the link here and stay on our channel, Toys and Funny Kids. Thank you so much for playing with me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.